If you want to work in a cruise ship company, then today's video is for you. So watch the full video. Getting a job on a cruise ship from the USA can be an exciting opportunity. Here are some steps to help you get started. Research cruise lines. Start by researching different cruise lines. Each cruise line has its own hiring process and requirements. Look for cruise lines that match your skills and interests. Choose a position. Cruise ships offer a wide range of job opportunities, from hospitality and entertainment to technical and administrative roles. Decide on the type of job you're interested in and qualified for. Check requirements. Review the specific requirements for the position you want. Typically, you'll need to be at least 18 years old and have the necessary qualifications and certifications. For example, if you're applying for a position in the hospitality industry, having prior experience in hotels or restaurants can be beneficial. Prepare a resume. Create a resume that highlights your relevant skills and experiences. Emphasize any customer service, hospitality, or language skills you possess, as these are often in demand on cruise ships. Apply online. Visit the websites of the cruise lines you're interested in and look for their careers or jobs section. Most cruise lines have online application forms where you can submit your resume and cover letter. Attend job fairs. Some cruise lines host job fairs in major cities in the USA. These events provide an opportunity to meet recruiters in person and learn more about job openings. Prepare for interviews. If your application is successful, you may be invited for an interview. Be prepared to discuss your qualifications, experience, and your enthusiasm for working on a cruise ship. Pass a background check. Cruise lines often conduct thorough background checks on potential employees to ensure security on board. Medical examinations. Depending on the position, you may need to undergo a medical examination to ensure you're fit for shipboard life. Visa and documentation. If you're hired, you'll need to obtain the necessary visas and documentation, such as a seafarer's book, to work on a cruise ship. The cruise line will usually assist you with this process. Training. Once hired, you may undergo training specific to your role and safety procedures on the ship. Pack and set sail. Once you've completed all the necessary preparations, you'll pack your bags and join the cruise ship at its designated port. Remember that working on a cruise ship can be demanding due to long hours and living in close quarters with colleagues. However, it can also be a rewarding experience, offering the chance to travel, meet people from around the world, and gain valuable skills. Good luck with your job search. Hope you understand. If you think this video is informative, then please subscribe our channel.